Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3 high ping network lag and packet loss problem. Let's fix it guys. First up, you just need to go to search menu and type Windows Defender with advanced security. Click on open it. Select inbound rules. On right side, select new role. Select here port and select next. Select UDP and now check my video description for this UDP code. Just copy and paste over here and click on next. Select allow the connection and select next. Select next. Type here Call of Duty UDP. Click on finish. After doing this, just to close tab here. The second step, you just need to go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After finishing both commands, just to close stuff here. The third step, you just need to go to search menu and type allow an app through Windows Firewall. Click on open it. Select here change settings. Select allow another app. Select browse. You need to go to this PC, local disk C, program files x86. In here you need to find the Steam folder, Steam apps folder and common folder. In here you can able to see the Modern Warfare 3 folder guys. You just need to double click on it and you will be find the Modern Warfare 3 exe file. Just click on it and select open it and the game will be listed over here. Click on add to add the game. In my case I already added this game, that's why I'm getting this error. After adding the game, you will be see in this list guys. You just need to check mark these both option, private and public. You just need to check mark it. After check marking it, you just need to select OK to save changes. The fourth step, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on the internet you are using it and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. In here you need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS type 8844. Click on OK to save changes. Just to close stuff here. After doing all these steps, you just need to restart your PC and after restarting your PC you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope this solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.